Damaged goods, damn it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you?